We're back with another episode of Cocktails and Cribs. Welcome to my window. I'm going to take you back almost 100 years to a classic drink that came on the scene, disappeared from the scene, and then in the late 2000s, maybe early 2010s, became very popular. This is called the Boulevardier, I think. I'm not really French.
Yeah, your accent doesn't get to the point.
Dang it, Boulevardier. Is it Boulevardier?
Were you born in Paris?
I've got Campari, I've got sweet vermouth. The first record we have of it came from 1927, which is a long time ago, but it never really caught on. And then it had this massive resurgence in the late 2000s. It's basically a variation of a Negroni. Instead of using gin, we're going to use
I like the sounds of that.
Yeah, just a public service announcement. Thank you to the viewer who, after watching our modern medicine video, pointed out to me that the distiller is right on the bottle for the Kirkland bourbon.
I'm not trying to be clever about it anymore.
No, I swear I looked over the label. Barton Distilleries is the maker of Kirkland brand bourbon. Mystery solved!
It was so good I went out and got some as soon as we did it. So.
There you go. So thank you, viewer. I'd say viewers, but I'm not sure there's more than one. So we're gonna stir this one. So grab your mixing glass. I'm gonna start with 1.5 ounces of our bourbon. To your bourbon, you're gonna add 3/4 ounce of our sweet vermouth. Today we're using Kochi. It's my favorite. And then
how sweet is your vermouth?
And then we're gonna add 3/4 ounce of Campari, the Italian liquid gold. Well, liquid ruby. Let's cut that. Once you got your ingredients in, we're gonna add some ice and give it a good stir. Our ice. And give that a stir for about 30 seconds. This is where the video really takes off. So there's a couple of variations of ways that you can serve this. I've seen it served up with no ice. I've seen it served in an old-fashioned glass over a nice cube of ice, which is what we're gonna do today. I love the color. Now grab an orange. Nice healthy peel. We're gonna spread the oils over the top. And hit up the sides. Drop it right in there. Your Boulevardier. So
Lovely. This smells wonderful.
Smells wonderful.
Looks beautiful.
Does look very nice.
I like this.
Coming from a guy who actually doesn't put that much effort into how these cocktails look, I could probably raise the game on that quite a bit. But yeah, this one is attractive.
It is.
It does smell good. And I know you're a fan of the Negroni, so I'd like to see what your reaction is with this one.
It smells awesome.
It does smell. Well, you're also a big whiskey fan, so.
I like the whiskey. I like the orange flavor too. And you really can smell a ton of that orange oil.
Yeah. Well, cheers to you.
Cheers to you.
Cheers to you.
Enjoy one of these.
Happy sipping.
You aren't joking. I do like that.
That is really good.
You know what? I would rank that over the Negroni any day.
Yeah, I would too.
If you've ever had a cocktail and thought, well, that was too much, go to something like this because it'll give you a little bit more appreciation for some of those flavors without being quite so strong.
Yeah,
I love
even though it's extremely strong. Like this is a very bougie cocktail. Yeah, yeah. The complexity of the flavors and they partner really well together. The orange on top, it's
the orange and the whiskey
nice
goes
finish kiss.
Really nice together.
This would be a great cocktail to have after dinner. Like you have a dinner, you sit down with one of these. Well, I mean, I'd have one before dinner too. I mean, you sit down, it's great.
During the middle of the day, while you're at work.
Boulevardier, 100-year-old cocktail, makes a huge resurgence here in the last 10, 15 years. And
I can see why. It's very nice.
It's very good. Highly recommend you try it.
Easy to appreciate.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. Hey, thanks so much for joining us on
Cocktails and Cribs.
We will see you next time. Check out this awesome house coming to the market, not in Calgary, in Airdrie.
These renos are awesome.
It's beautifully renovated bungalow. Check it out. We're here in Airdrie, and let me tell you, the seasons are changing. It's getting a little chilly outside. I'm wearing plaid. It's fall. But I'm gonna tell you what, in this house, it's heating up. Because just like the seasons, styles change. And this house has been fully renovated. So, while my choice in plaid might not be your favorite, this house will be. Check it out. We've got 5 bedrooms, 2 totally transformed bathrooms, oversized detached garage, fully finished basement, huge